Here we go.
Hello and welcome to Money on the Floor Currency Trader. Right now I'm showing off a new robot again. Yep, at it again. Always looking, always will. It's what I do. I found this one indicator. I liked it a lot, so I was able to put it together on a different company's website to be able to make the EA. So it's a little bit different. We do not have confirmation on this one. It's not possible. This company does not do it. But this indicator works well. It's a pullback indicator is what I like. It gets you the furthest distance out. It looks a little different, but you can see they're all in real good places. Now, like this one here, probably, I don't know if that would have been a trade on that one. Let me see if I can move out a little bit. Zoom out. There we go. What happens is we get the indicator lights up. We have to have the red trend line, and we need to be red at the bottom. Just like that, everything red. From there, it'll trade it down. There is no exit except for the fact that it has a take profit and a trailing stop. That'll get you out. From here, we have a buy situation. Everything has to be green going up. Over here, we have a red one. It doesn't give us a lot of trades, but it gives quality trades, and that's important. So it got you here. It didn't do anything on these right here, but it got this one over here, which is good. Now, this one here might not have been a trade because see how we got the green up there? I don't know if that would have ignited the trade, so we might have missed that one. But it may have flickered and may have got back on. I'm not sure if these go, and these don't go away, so these are pretty solid. Like some, they go away and come back, go away and come back. But over here was a good buy trade. We have a good sell trade. Good buy trade. This one here, yeah, the red line is red, so it would have been a sell trade. It's not the candles, it's the line. It's the trend line. See, that trend line there was green at the time, so it's hard to say. I'm over here, I'm waiting for a rag right now to trigger it to give me a trade to the downside. It hasn't triggered yet. We had a big move up, but I didn't get the move down. I got a bunch of trades in here, so it was good. Sorry, now I'm waiting for the reversal on this particular situation because it's still going up, so it's going to be a little bit. But we're definitely inside this box, so I'm looking to the bottom. Now on this, it works on all time frames. What am I running it on now? I'm running it on a I'm running on a 5-minute chart right now, but I like to run it on a 1-hour chart or a 15-minute chart. That's probably my favorite, but right now it looks really good on a 5-minute chart. I can't complain. Now see the 5-minute, you get these little trades in here we didn't have before. So the little trades, not bad. But if we go to a 15-minute chart, they get a little bigger. So you start to get these really good trades. You miss some of these in here, but you get good trades going up. A lot of distance in between the signals, so they're good trading. It's good for consolidation. Like this one here was going down the whole time, even though it pulled back up, it never gave you another trade to get back in because it was still going down. It's the only thing I didn't like about it is this would have been a nice sell trade right there. But you have to know that you were in a sell trade, that if it goes back all red, you can get back in. So that's all there is to it until you get to the green one again. Because once it gives that signal, you're looking for all red. It'll take the trade there, but let's say it kicks you out right here in this consolidation for some reason. If it's still all red, you can go ahead and jump back in again. And it works good on the 1-hour chart too. These are all good trades right here, all the way up, down, up. It just kept taking them all. It's a lot of money right there. Let's see, here's a small trade. A small trade would have got 23 pips. So for me, that's 200 bucks. That's great. So if I would have done 4, and she'd be done in the evening right here, you'd be have enough to make your house payment almost right in there. It's pretty awesome. Now, I'm not saying this one's any better than any of the other robots. This one's just different. It may work with other people how they trade better. Now, this one does not have confirmation. I have a lot of people in my group that like the confirmation ones, and I like them too because it doesn't just trade for anything. But usually these trades are pretty good, so I haven't been disappointed yet. So, and it nailed this one here. It got this one here all the way down, and then nailed this one going up. Now, this one wouldn't have made it. The trailing stop would have taken out probably right in here. But you got to know if you got taken out that anytime you see double everything red, you're going to get back in. 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 You don't need to wait for this thing to get you in. You can manually put yourselves in. All this is doing is showing you the trade. So, and you don't have to trade it with the robot. You can take the robot off and put the manual trading one where you have the buttons up here and you can do the buy and sell. So that would be another great thing to do. And if you bought just the system before, I'm going to send whoever people bought the system, I'm going to send them one like this, but with the buttons, so you can trade it. So anyway, I'm real happy. I'm real excited. Right now it's making money. I'm at home making money. I hope you're at home making money. And if you're not, you need to get some of these systems. Now, if you buy the robots, you get all the robots. I do have the survival bot still on the website. That's going to go away, though, pretty soon. But right now, you buy the robots, you get all of them. And if you buy the systems, you get all the systems that I'm making that are manual systems. So it's not just one system. There's probably like 6 of them. And they're all great. It's just that you got to push the button. Nothing pushes the button for you. Or you can buy the whole package deal and you get everything. And plus you get me. I mean, that's a lot right there. I'm like your mentor, your guide, your helper, whatever you need, you let me know and I'll make it happen. And if you got an idea for a robot or you're having difficulties with a robot or I don't know, maybe there's just something with your trading that's just not working. Heck, we'll get together, we'll fix that. It's not a problem. I'm here to help. And then we also have the you know, the trade rooms. Don't forget that. And that's like a mentoring too. I help a lot of people on those too. So usually we're just out looking for money to make money to pad our accounts. So, but if we talked in there and you tell me you got a problem, I'll say, hey, come back and we'll get together later. You know, privately, we can go over whatever issues you're having because we all have issues. We all need help. We all need. I can't tell you how important a mentor is because what happens is you're going to just keep doing the same things over and over and over until you get a mentor to help you kick you straight. The thing is, you got to find somebody that you can communicate with and that trades like you trade. If not, what's the point? I had other mentors that traded other stuff. They did trade structure. They did trade other things. Maybe they traded a lot of Fibonacci's, but it didn't help me as much because they were a completely different trader and they didn't understand what I was going through. They understood the basics, don't get me wrong, money management, other things, but they were trying to get me not to trade so large, not to trade this. And I wanted somebody that thought how I thought. I'm here to make money. Why are you trying to keep me from making money? My issue isn't with the trade size. My issue was with with moving my stops. That was my biggest problem was moving stops. Stops are always my problem. They are now. That's why I love the robots. I love anything mechanical that sets the stop in for me. Even if it's a button, a setup, it's setting a stop. It's got a stop loss. It's got a trailing stop. It keeps me out of trouble. So, and that's very important. Because what happens, we make a mistake, we move the stop a little bit, thinking we'll give it a little more room. The loss gets larger, we give it a little more room, the loss gets larger. The thing's going down and you're moving the stop down. All you're doing is letting that loss get bigger to a point you're not willing to lose it, and then you remove it. And then what happens is the broker has your money for months, months until it comes back. And the weirdest thing is, it'll drop in, I don't know, in one day, but when it goes to retrace to give your money back, it takes months. So I don't understand that. But it happened to me many times, and it still can if I'm not careful. That's why I don't trade like that anymore. I don't want anybody holding my money. I need it. What's that commercial? It's my money and I need it now. Right? I feel like that sometimes. So anyway, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate you listening to this. This system's awesome. All my systems are awesome. And if you have an idea to fix one, change one, or do something, let me know. I'm all ears. But we're restricted to a lot of parameters, not a lot we can do. I wanted to come out with one with divergence, but the problem is you get divergence here, the thing doesn't drop till over here, I have no way of setting that up. But I'm still thinking. I'm still on it. So don't give up on me on that one. I got some ideas I'm working on. So anyway, have a great day. Stay safe out there. It's still crazy. It's getting better, but it's still crazy. And we will talk to you later. Make some money out there trading. Bye-bye.